Hello friends, welcome back to Decor Catalog. We as an interior and exterior design expert can share with you modern, trending and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So, subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this. A well-designed home is all about creating harmony, flow and functionality. And one of the most effective ways to elevate your interior layout, especially in open concept homes, is by adding a stylish and smart partition between the living room and dining area. A modern partition not only separates the spaces but also enhances the aesthetics, adds character and improves practicality. So in today's video, we'll explore some of the most innovative and trending partition design ideas that can beautifully define your living and dining spaces without making them feel disconnected. Let's begin with one of the most popular choices, wooden slat partitions. These vertical or horizontal wooden panels create a sophisticated semi-open barrier that allows natural light to flow freely while still establishing a clear boundary. They add warmth, texture, and a modern minimalist vibe. You can go for natural wood tones, dark walnut finishes, or even painted slats depending on your decor style. The best part, they are budget-friendly, easy to install and extremely versatile. Next, let's talk about glass partitions, a favorite for homes that aim for a spacious and airy look. Frosted glass, fluted glass, and clear tempered glass all offer different levels of privacy while maintaining openness. Framed glass partitions with black metallic borders give a very classy industrial look, while frameless options feel sleek and contemporary. Glass partitions work wonderfully in small spaces because they divide without visually shrinking the area. If you prefer something more creative, consider open shelving partitions. These serve as both a functional divider and a stylish display unit. You can use them to place decor pieces, books, plants, candles, or even small artworks. Open shelves allow visibility from both ends, which keeps your home feeling connected while still providing structure. This option is perfect for people who love multifunctional designs and want the partition to be a part of their decor story. Another brilliant modern choice is the metal or laser cut divider. These come in stunning geometric, floral, abstract, and minimalist patterns. Powder-coated metal dividers look luxurious, long-lasting, and very contemporary. They instantly add a designer touch to the space, making the partition a visual highlight. You can even incorporate LED strips behind laser cut panels for a rich ambient glow in the evenings. You can also go for half-wall partitions if you want a subtle separation. Half walls create a low visual barrier while still keeping the space open and fluid. They can be topped with glass, marble planters, or even wooden accents. This style works wonderfully in modern homes because it gives structure without blocking sightlines or natural light. Thanks for watching Decor Catalog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more home decor inspiration. See you in the next video.